Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to retwist my hair for the first time. Well, it's not really the first time. The first time I actually did it, I didn't make it all the way through because I was doing so bad that I just kind of gave up. So here we go, trying it again a few months later. I decided not to film me actually doing the retwisting because I figured it was going to take me a really long time and I didn't want y'all seeing me struggle like that. But I might do it next time just to be transparent with y'all. I'm honestly terrible at doing hair, which is why I really decided to lock my hair because I wanted something that was going to be easy to maintain. And I've been going to a loctician for the past few months. But this time I decided to go ahead and make that plunge and try to do it all myself. And originally I was planning on keeping the clips in my head all day, but I really wanted to take a nap and they were hurting my head. So I decided to go ahead and blow dry my hair and take the clips out so I could take my nap. Hey y'all, I'm officially done attempting my first full head retwist. The wording of that was really weird. Y'all, I think I did it. I mean, it's not perfect, but for somebody that's terrible with hair like I am and just really not patient in general when it comes to hair, I think this is actually pretty good. And this time I wasn't really focused that much on palm rolling, so that's why some of these are really thick, I think. I was more so focused on getting the actual retwist done. So here is the front of it. Ooh, a little greasy over there. I'm gonna turn around for y'all. Side, back. Hopefully I can see it good. Other side. And I really wasn't focused on parting either. I even bought this comb. Thinking I was gonna use it. And I had this mirror, but for some reason I couldn't really focus on the parting and hold the mirror at the same time. So I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna try and see what happens. Cause really as long as the front is okay, like, do the back really matter that much? I'm saying it now, but maybe a few months down the line, I'll be like, I wish I would have done this. But regardless, this is what we got. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. Yeah, a few of the ones in the front look a little wonky, but I don't know if that's just because they are budding or what. But if I mess up something, it's just hair. And some of them are curling up a little bit toward the end. I think that's probably because of how I clipped them. So I'm gonna try to be more mindful of that next time. And I'm not quite at my 8-month mark. I did it a little bit sooner than 8 months because I didn't want to wait. Well, I initially wanted to wait a little bit longer, but then I was like, I really don't want to wait that long because what if it gets super unruly, then I'm gonna definitely want to go to my loctician. But yeah, I think I did good. I'm really happy. If y'all have any tips or recommendations for next time, let me know down below in the comments. But overall, I am really happy with how this turned out. And we only gonna get better from here, so that's a win. It's super freezy, y'all. And I got one little thin lock right here. I think this is the thinnest lock in my whole head. It really looked crazy because I didn't palm roll it. I'm gonna watch some more YouTube videos on palm rolling just to make sure I get it down. But I think because of the length of my hair right now, it's gonna be hard to palm roll it, but people have done it before me. So I'm sure there's gonna be a way that I can do it too, so. We'll see in about a month or so. I might try to go longer between retwists this time because once I washed my hair, I was like, I don't really even need a retwist that badly. And it's almost in a month since my last retwist, so maybe I can really extend it a little bit longer because there wasn't as much unraveling this time. Most of the unraveling I noticed were like along the edges on the front because the back, they're really locking good at the back. And at first this was my problem area, but now they're locking pretty good back there. We'll see how long this lasts, and I'll probably try to do it again myself next month too because I really want to become more independent in terms of my hair because that's something I've always been a little bit self-conscious about because I've never really been good with hair, and I think this is the perfect time to learn. And it's definitely a confidence booster knowing that you can do something to your hair. So let's try and see what happens. So like I said, it's just hair. What's the worst that I can do with it? But anyway, that's where we are. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our family here because we talk about everything. All right, I will see y'all in our next video. Bye.